This video I'm going to solve a problem from 10th class triangles. The question is, if ABC is a right angle at B, and MN are the midpoints of AB and BC respectively. Let us draw the figure first. So triangle, right triangle, A, B is the right angle. At B the angle is right angle. Okay. Now what more is given? M at AB, sorry, this is M, this is N. Okay. Now from A to N, from C to M. Okay, like this the figure will come. Okay. What they asked then, 4AN square plus CM square equals to how much? Let us see the solution for this. Consider triangle ABN, right angled at B. So what will be the hypotenuse? By Pythagoras theorem, what we can say, AN is the hypotenuse. So AN square equals to, AB is the one side, BN is another side. AB square plus BN square. Take this as 1. Next, one more triangle we have to consider in this. What is the triangle? CBM. Okay, CBM. Now again by Pythagoras theorem, what we can say again? In this, what will be the hypotenuse? MC or CM. CM square equals to BM square plus BC square. Right? Take this as equation 2. Right? Now add these two. Add 1 and 2. What you will get? AN square equals to, AN square plus CM square equals to AB square plus BN square plus BM square plus BC square. Right? Right? But here M and N are midpoints of AB and BC, right? So what you can say? Actually, AB equals to AM plus MB. But as those two are midpoints, AM equals to MB, right? In the same way, BC is equals to BN plus NC, but BN equals to NC because they are midpoints, right? So this becomes what you will get. AB is equals to MB. So 2AM. This BC equals to 2BN, right? So this again can be written as AM equals to AB by 2. And this again what you can write? BN is equals to BC by 2. Which implies squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. AM square equals to BD by 2 whole square. And the other one is BN square equals to BC by 2 whole square. So AM square equals to BD square by 4. BN square is equals to BC square by 4. right? So now substitute these values in equation 3. Substitute the above values in equation 3. So an square equals to cm, sorry, plus an square plus cm square is equals to ab square plus bc square is ac square, right? Because ABC is a right triangle, again by using Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. So here let us write the equation first. AB square plus BC square plus BN square is BC square by 4. BM square is, or AM or BM you can take here, right? BM. Okay. Okay. Now here BD square by 4. Sorry. Here AB. This is AB by 2 whole square. This is AB square by 4. And here AB square by 4. Right? Now AN square plus CM square is equals to, here you are having in the denominator 4. But AB square plus BC square, first of all AB square plus BC square is AC square, right? So AC square plus this, what you will get, BC square plus AB square again, AC square by 4, which implies what you will get here, LCM 4 you will get, that comes this side, what you will get, AN square plus CM square is equals to 4 AC square plus AC square, which implies 4 into AN square plus CM square is equals to 4 AC square plus AC square, which implies 4 into AN square plus CM square is equals to 5 AC square, right? This is the solution. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.